Hi, you recognize this? This is a circuit breaker, and this breaker is used for your house wiring system, and we throw this breaker in the breaker panel. Hi, I'm here back with the DIY Home Improvement Canada, and today we will talk about a little bit of circuit breaker. And circuit breaker play a very important role in our house wiring system. And the circuit breaker, if your circuit is overloaded or you have any trouble in the particular circuit, your circuit breaker trips. To better understand how that circuit breaker works, here is a diagram. You see we have a circuit panel with circuit breaker which use of one circuit. This circuit has a multiple loads such as light, TV, music, and iron. All of these items add up together to calculate maximum load. Okay, so we are here for the house panel, and the house panel it has too many circuits, and see there are like a 15 amp, 30 amp, 15 amp, and some of them 15 amp double pole, 15 amp double pole, and it's a 40 amp and also 15 amp. Yeah, it's very important when you wire a house and you choose a particular wire, and that wire associate with the right rate of breakers. So this wire, luminous wire that we use at home, this is a 14-2 wire, and that wire is good for a 15 amp breaker. And this is number 12, so 12-2 AWG. This wire we use for 20 amp breaker. And also we have this wire is number 10 and 10-3, and this wire we use for our breaker which is 30 amp double pole breaker. So again, it's very important when we choose the wire for the particular circuit, we have to choose the rated breaker. That's very important. Finally, it's very important when you choose a breaker, you have to match with your breaker panel. So let's say if the panel is stab lock, we gotta look for a stab lock breaker. If the panel is a square D, we gotta look for a square D breakers. And if we have a home lines, we gotta go look for a breaker for a home line, because this is very important to choose a right breaker for the right panel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope that helps, and if you have any comment or any question, please drop in the comments box. And very important, push the subscribe button and also push the bell button, so any new videos coming, you will not miss that video. Till thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.